name is Gianna and welcome back to another Makematic behind the scenes vlog. We're back in the office, back to work, and I don't know how long. Could be just for today, or it could be, a couple weeks, but we don't really know. Could be just for today, and then we're back to lockdown. We've never really been away from work. We've been working from home, but it's nice to be in the office, nice to see everyone physically rather than on Zoom or, through emails, and it's just nice to see a person face to face. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the office space in this COVID-19 world. We have a lot of sanitizers, a lot of wipes, we have face masks. We have also done training through Zoom, obviously, before we came in. We also have this intranet that Tara has made, risk assessment, filled out a self-declaration form, all the good stuff that should be done before returning to work. Yeah, I'm gonna show you COVID-19 office tour, and let's get started. So once you come into the door, you will be greeted with this table with a sanitizer and face masks if you need them. Generally, there should only be around 4-5 people max in the office. So the rules are everyone is gonna be facing this way towards the door. Only 4 people allowed in each kind of table space, here, 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 and there. If there's 5 people, someone could always go into one of these boardrooms and work in there. Kitchen is still available to use. Obviously, we would have to wipe down everything once we have, used it. Instead of chocolate bars and straw bars, we have tissues. We've got a sanitizer there and some sweets, obviously, because you need them. Sanitizer there, like I mentioned, there's sanitizer there, one over there near the sink, and one over here. You know the stuff, I know the stuff, everyone knows it. We've been kind of living with it for the past 6 months, maybe more, and we're gonna continue living with it, so we're gonna have to adjust. But yeah, that is the office tour. Very short. I'm not gonna show you the bathroom because the bathroom is the bathroom, and you know what a bathroom looks like. It's a toilet with a sink. There's sanitizer in there too, and also hand soap and paper towels. But yeah, everyone's keeping at a distance. Everyone is respecting everyone's, kind of bubble. Once you come in, ideally you would wipe down your surface before you come in, and obviously at the end of the day you would wipe your surface as well, your table, anything just basically that I've touched, including switches. I'm also going to wipe down any doorknobs that I've touched. Just wipe down everything, just to make it all safe and sound. So as the last person in the office, I have to wipe everything down just so that, safety and stuff. So I'm gonna just go do that. This stuff. Don't touch the fire alarm. Safety. Be safe. Wash your hands. Sanitize yourself after doing all that. And put on your mask. See this? This goes over your nose. Not like this. It's not a chin strap, so it goes over your nose. And we are done for today. Okay, home time. Bye office. I hope I'm smiling under here. Hope to see you soon. Hello. I just thought I'd give you a quick update. I just edited that part of the video, and how I said at the very start of the video, we'll see how long this lasts. I was right. It only did last 1 day. Back at home. That's it. That's the rest. That's the update. I'm back at home. I don't know when this video is going to come out. Might come out next week, maybe in 2 weeks, and by then the rules have changed again. Just to let you know that I'm back at home, and so is everyone else. Yeah. But yeah, hopefully next year I can give you a proper office tour with more people, maybe less sanitizers in the mix. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Back in my living room. Maybe I'll give you a living room tour. Cut. Bye-bye. I'm very aware that I'm against the light and this is not the prime position to film. I know this because I did a whole video with Ryan about lighting. You can see it here. Yes, I'm aware, but I just can't be bothered taking out my tripods, putting out my lights. I'm so sorry. I'll do better next time. Okay.